Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to the demo of Electask. I'm going to walk through what the app looks like, some features of it, how to do some things, and just give you a little inside look at Electask. So this is the home page, and to sign in, you can just click on Sign In, and we'll just go into this account. Or rather, let's go into the demo. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, there's a little chat bot or chat box that you can message me at. But here's the dashboard where you'll see all the tasks for the month. This demo account doesn't have very many, but I think if we go back a few months, and you can see some. So just to look at the dashboard, you can see all the tasks. If you hover over them, you'll see the full description of each task. So this gives you a little snapshot, and then you can see the whole description. You can go forward and back for each month. And this calendar shows not completed and in progress. If a task is marked completed, it goes off of the calendar and just shows up in the regular task lists, but it doesn't take up space on the calendar. Same with canceled. Completed and canceled are not shown. You just can see in progress and not completed. So you can see the next task that needs to be done. And look at all the tasks. You can come down here and see the next 5 that have to be done. And you can look at all of the tasks. You can filter by these statuses. So you can see all the not completed. And then it'll show you everything that needs to be done. You can select an end date. You can search not completed, and let's say something about mail that's not completed. Okay, so here's all the tasks that have to do with mailing or something, checking the mail, something about mail that are not completed. So we can go over to elections, and you can look at, here's 2 elections that I have in here. Let's just do a quick refresh. Okay. This is the, here are all the elections in the demo account. And if you click into any of these, you can see this one doesn't have any tasks. This one has 102. It shows you all the tasks, and you can sort by status, end date, and days to election. And so one of the cool things that Electask can do is automatically transfer tasks from one election to another. So we saw that there was tasks in sample June primary, but there's nothing in new sample November. So what we can do is come in here and copy tasks from sample June primary to new sample November. We can click the button, and this pops up to make sure this is what you want to do. You can click continue. We can wait for a second. And what this does is it transfers all the tasks from June to November, and it's going to update all of the due dates for each task based on the election date of this new November election. And it just uses the days out from election to calculate the new due date. And if the new due date falls on a Saturday or Sunday, it moves it to the closest weekday, so either a Friday or Monday. And same thing down here, you can You can delete tasks from an election. And what this does is it actually doesn't delete the task from the database. It keeps the task there, but it just disassociates that task from whatever election it used to be with. So worst case scenario, you accidentally delete tasks, you can actually get them all back and put them back with the election that they were in. It's a little bit of a pain, so you don't want to actually accidentally do that. So here's all the tasks. That's what we were looking at a few minutes ago. And here's an overview calendar of everything. This shows not completed, in progress, canceled, and completed. This, see if we can find, okay, so here's a completed task. I need to get more tasks in this demo environment. There we go. There's not. Okay. There's my tasks. That shows here I have 4 of them. And then you can click on the actual task. You can edit it. And it shows you can change the date range, update this, update the days to election, click a few more people, add a note, change the status to in progress, and update it. So now we have it in progress, needs more time. There's a option to send a message to everyone on the task. That is currently in development, but it will be done shortly, so that you can send an email to everyone on the task. Let's see. Another update that's coming for tasks is the ability to add comments. So they'll be down here. You can just type something and hit add comment, and it'll attach a comment to this task, which will be carried over into future tasks. So the whole app is set up according to the election that you're currently working on. So well, firstly, you can see your profile and you can change anything that's on there. There's name, title, email, and then you put in your password to make the changes. To change the password is down here. But let's say I don't want to work on June sample primary anymore. I want to start working on new sample November. Let's say, well, for whatever reason, let's say I finished a few things in June and need to start on November. So I can come down here, and update that. And now I can see, since this one doesn't have any tasks, I can see that I'm currently working on new sample November. So if I want to go back to June, finish a few things up, let me get the password right. Okay, and now I'm back to the sample June. Some tasks here. There we go. All right. So that's how you switch the election that you're working on. So for some admin, they'll be able to see this audit trail where it shows everything that happens in the app, and it just keeps track of everything going on. So you can see what's happening. And that is about it. The biggest thing is changing your current election. All the tasks, everything that you see in the dashboards and on the calendars are filtered by these whichever election that you're currently working on. So to switch around, you just switch it, put in your password. If you ever need anything, you can just type in here and send a message to me, and I can help you with whatever you need. If there's any bugs or errors or anything, I get notified and can start working on them right away. So hope you like it. Let me know if you run into any problems or have any questions. And welcome to Electask.